In previous videos, I showed you a old pipe wrench, an old, I don't know what that is, an old oil can, and I think I got one more jack of whatever old thing. This, I got sitting back here, I picked up. You guessed it, it's a Vise. It's been abused. Some nerd ass welded the jaws on. But, here's the thing, look at this. Aren't those words in beautiful shape on the side? Look at that. They beat the shit out of this thing. See, this is fine for me. But look, this thing is in immaculate shape. The sides are in great shape. The top, oh, you gotta see this. Lots of peanut butter welds, all on the top and on that side. So what am I gonna do with this? Well, first, I'm thinking if I hit it with a grinder, I could lop it off my milling machine, but this is pretty cool. It's a nice old, I'll take it apart here for you. It's pretty damn cool. I don't know if this originally had a spin, what do you call it? Spinning thing, but it's a Colombian S, I guess. It's pretty cool. I didn't pay much for it. It was cheap. The threads are, I don't know, are they dirty or wearing out? Let's check. Yeah, the threads are gunky, it's all. Junky and gunky. The bar here seems to be in decent shape. A little bit of rust. Jesus, damn thing. Come on. Come out of here. Come on. Come on. Off we go. I never had a Colombian Vise. Never. Like as if I'm like part of the national, I owned every Vise association, right? But what I liked about it was, besides the fact that this thing, no, I didn't like the welds, but I liked the fact that the what is it, embossing or raised letters? Oh, it's not embossing. The raised letters are just in excellent shape. So it looks like it's a little dirty. See? A little bit of crud in there. Hey, you know what? A little bit of crudsies in the corners. What is that? Casting marks? Oh no, it's just dirt. But look at this. Look at those words. Colombian. Number 143. That is a nice, like this little body part here, Colombian 143. The little S is a little chewed up right here, see? On this side. But the top is kind of a little bit of a mess, other than the jaws being tortured. But I'm guessing if I ground it off straight here, ground it off here, and now I know where the edge is right here, see? I could theoretically machine it off right close to there, and then put a new set of jaws in here. Hey, what do you call it? I wonder if the screws come up. Even the screws are in there too. Like, what the hell? People are stupid, I swear. Humans. What do you abuse things? Huh? Just because you got a welder, you gotta like weld this up? Besides the fact that somebody abused it. It's not even silicone bronze welding, it's just probably fucking shitty MIG welding. What the hell, man? They just burned it all in there. I'll keep that in there, I'll just cut it right off. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Is it silicone? No, it's regular shit welding. Oh wait, this one has no screws in it. So I guess someone. So I'm guessing if there's no screws in here, if I grind this off and grind that down and grind the side off, I'll be able to rip this right off. Easily peasily. The front. Not sure how to get this part. I'm guessing there's a little thingamabobber here somehow to get it. There's probably a pin. Or something there. Something comes out. I don't know how to get it out. I don't know. What about here? Crud. Hello, Crudzilla. Folks, you have old tools, clean them out once in a while. Air hose, that's all you need, is an air hose. That's all you need is an air hose. Look at this. It's like, why the hell is there's grooves in here? I don't know. There's grooves in the dirt that stuck to it from the, this is cool though. I like this old vise. Somebody should make a show called This Old Vise. Instead of This Old House, This Old Vise. Damn, there's like, dirt farmer now. It's like, where'd you get all your dirt? Yeah, I got it out of a vise. Oh, it's like peened on there, I guess. Unless some jackass welded it in there. I'm guessing some jackass welded it in there. Hope this wasn't any of your viewers' advice, because I just might have called everybody on here jackass. Look at this. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at all the crud. It's like when I was in the army. What makes the green grass grow? Blood, blood, bright red blood. Right? Instead, what makes vices grow? Crud, crud, bright brown crud. All right, let me shut up now. 6 minutes of playing with a vise. Well, folks, it's a Colombian vise. Look at that. Again, last but not least, Colombian number 143. Yeah, awesome.